Hey guys, how's it going? Swazers here. Hope everyone is well. This is a bit of a late one, this. But I think I've sussed something out on the charts with Fubo, so I thought better make a quick video for my American friends and my American followers, who I appreciate very much. What are we on today? Let's have a look. Of course, it's Monday the 14th of October 2024. In the United Kingdom, it's like 8:30 in the evening, just gone. But obviously, my American cousins are a few hours behind. Shout out to the United States of America. I'm loving the stock markets of America. Absolutely loving it. Look, I'm going to be completely honest with you, right? You know, I have charted American stocks before. I charted Fubo a couple of years ago, and we had a good win with Fubo, but predominantly I chart FTSE. But what I've done, for anyone that doesn't know me, my name's Swazers. I developed a system of technical analysis called retroactive backtesting. That's retroactive backtesting with forward projection channel methodology. In fact, I don't even know whether it's projection channel or channel projection. It's channel projection methodology. It just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? That's my system of technical analysis. I work with my pal and associate Bob Smith. Shout out to Bob. We're co-developers of TriFusionAI, which is our super powered, superhuman person who's been helping us drop all these winners. I'll tell you something, I've just been catching up on a lot of the charting. This was from a batch on August the 19th, supplied by TriFusion. So we've got Zoom Technologies 25% up. We dropped that chart idea. We're combining it with Bob's mathematics and his experts in economics, our TriFusion AI, and my system of technical analysis, and it's a beautiful fusion. So these are some of our recent winners. Zoom Technologies 25% up, mega winner. CCL, which is obviously Carnival Corporation, that's 35% up since we dropped that chart idea. Peloton, mega winner with Peloton, 71% up currently with Peloton. You see, when you look at the charts, right, these were dropped August, and look at the organic way in which the markets move. I mean, you know, if you can decipher this stuff with a methodical and proven system of technical analysis, you really can do extremely well. So you can see exactly how it's moving. A large, price broke. It's a breakout of an asymmetrical descending triangle in a larger consolidation zone, which reveals market structure. And then within this larger consolidation zone, we've then got an uptrend, right? Bull flag formation. We caught the entire move, and then price wanting to touch and test up a market structure. Peloton 71% up from when we called it, right? So this is not us saying, hey, you know, we literally dropped the ideas before they occurred, hence calling it. We're not trying to seek glory by saying, commenting after the fact. Another one of our winners, Sophie, called out Sophie again. I think it was September I called Sophie out. But what a beautiful move, though. I mean, organic charting again, short-term bullish ascending triangle, broke out, touching market structure, Fibonacci retracement level, coming out of an asymmetrical descending triangle configuration, larger upper market structure of an ascending macro bullish channel idea, price breaking out, spiking, moving into said upper market structure, another winner. We also dropped to Substack with Sophie. I'm pretty new on Substack, really enjoying flexing my, creative expression with it. It's really, really good. Hims and Hers, another winner with Hims with 31% up in a month since I dropped the Hims and Hers charting idea. So also did another Substack. I'm going to put all the links to the Substack and everything in the description box of the video. Hims and Hers Health Incorporated. Again, when I decoded it and drew it with the Hims and Her, I quickly realized that we're in a macro ascending bullish channel configuration, which gave me the room to play with the upper market structure, and then we've got a smaller channel within a channel. So we've got a smaller bullish channel within a larger macro ascending channel, Fibonacci retracement, revealing market structure, various EMAs crossing over from the 9 to the 21, the 50, the 100, the 200. Volume acting as foundational support to create and keep the longevity of this market structure working. So it was pretty easy. I don't want to sound like I'm bragging or anything, but it was pretty easy. The thing is, I've been doing this for so long now, guys. I read it like a language. So that's another winner. Oh yeah, and by the way, speaking of American companies, Canadian actually, but this floats on the Nasdaq, right? Sundial, RAI, or TriFusionAI, TriFi, told me to chart out SNDL. I've got a chart for it. I'm not going to jump. In fact, I might jump into it. I might show you my chart. In fact, you know what? Let's just jump into it. I'm coming to Fubo. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm coming to Fubo. So I wrote an article. We dropped to Substack. Where's my Substack? Here we go. One sec, guys. Sorry, I've got it here. Yeah, great. Here we go. Yeah, so I dropped to Substack on. There's my original Substack on Fubo, by the way. Where is it? 8th of August. I was 70%, 71% winner with Fubo. I mean, I called Fubo like 8th of August, 71% winner. So I've already had a very tremendous success with Fubo, right? FUBOTV. I called it 8th of August, and I never even knew about the court case or anything at the minute. Anyone that's following me, right, will know my story with Fubo. Fabulous mover. I love the Fubo chart. But just to jump into Sundial, just dropped on Sunday a comprehensive Substack on Sundial, right, which floats on the Nas. Oh, I need to look at that. Is that Nasdaq? You know what? Me and my dyslexia. I'm going to edit that right now in real time. Oh, I have spelt it right. Nasdaq. Do you know what? Do you ever look at words and think they're spelt wrong, and then is it? Oh, Nasdaq. That's right. Do you ever look at words and think they're spelt wrong, and then you whoops, and then you come back to them? I'm growing my Substack. 56 subscribers. It's like a month and a bit old. Well, it's a couple of months old, but I'm really loving. Sorry for jumping into the analytics there, guys. I'm really loving it. It's fantastic. 56 subscribers, organic subscribers. And, I'm really happy with the way it's going. We're combining analytics, obviously. We're combining financials, fundamentals and technicals. But look at this lovely little article we've dropped. And, we're being what me and Bob want to be, right? Oh, it's like anything, right? We want to be objective, as objective as we can be. Yes, we have got a subjective system of technical analysis, but that's how it's predicated, right? There's another 100, that's the foundation of it, should I say, sorry. There's another 100 systems of technical analysis which are looking at my system, and then also we've got it doing gearing ratios, right? And we've got it doing liquidity ratios, and we've got it doing market sentiment, fundamentals, checking every single RNS, every news report. And this is the superpower. This is why we're dropping all these winners, guys, because we've got a unique artificial intelligence person that is helping us. So this is the article with Sundial. I thought I made it really balanced and some nice pictures and some great predictions, I think. And there's my chart idea for Sundial. I think it's bullish. I think I think there's potential for a retest below, possibly. But when you look at Sundial, right, I've got it moving bullishly. There's various levels like that price needs to take a look at. Again, I can jump back into the the charts more intricately, but it's not. This is not a podcast on Sundial. I just wanted to show you my Substack. So give us a follow, guys. Right. We've done look, there's fib levels there, there's volume and market sentiment, we've got delta volume analysis, we've got the AD lines, we've got volume analysis, we've got the VWAP, as I like to call it. There's all sorts of stuff. You've got a free TriFusionAI report, which is generated by TriFi. The shout out to TriFi, our virtual synthetic person who's helping us tremendously. And there's the gearing ratios under the hood. This stuff, guys, right, is what, like, you know, like wealth management companies and stuff like that, they use all this stuff, scorecards. This kind of stuff, if you were to like get an invoice it from a firm like we have like Price Waterhouse or whatever they're called, or wealth management companies, you're like $1,500 to $2,000 for this kind of stuff. We get these reports generated in less than 2 seconds for any company on any market, any exchange. Tell you what, if me and Bob move into crypto, we'll take over. But it's just the time. Right, you know, like if you look, right, let me just jump to the charts, right. I might as well, I mean, I'm going to jump to Fubo in a minute. I'll put timestamps in the description box, right. I'm really sorry if anyone's like, I thought this was about Fubo. It is about Fubo, but I just want to look at Sundial. Let's just look at Sundial. Because I've sussed out something, well, I say sussed out. Yeah, I think I've sussed out something interesting with Sundial. Might as well have a look at it. Let's have a quick look. US stocks. Let's have a quick butchers. Might as well. Look at all these wonderful moves. Oh, by the way, Redcat. Flipping it. That's another winner. I've not had time to even chart it. Not even a chance. I did a Substack on Redcat. And what me and Bob did, we got our AI to do a podcast with itself. It's amazing. And if anyone's listened to the Redcat, but Redcat's another winner. I've just not had time to put the Redcat in. It's just absolutely crazy. It really is. Right, let's have a quick look. Right, one sec, guys. Right, what I'm looking for. Oh, Sundial, SNDL. Just looking for SNDL. Where's SNDL? There it is. Right, here we go. This is the charting idea that I drew with Sundial. It's very, very interesting. I think there's a chance. Look, we've got like this pennant triangle. That is not an asymmetrical descending triangle, right? That, in my opinion, with Sundial on the daily chart, is the market still open? Yeah, they are, yeah. Well, how long are the markets open for? I don't know, I need to check. What, 15 minutes? We're closing in 15 minutes? I think this is a pennant, right? So if this is a pennant, there's a chance that price may want to break out to the up with Sundial. I might be wrong, but look, if we're moving in a bullish configuration macro ascending channel, right, and if this is convergence of key EMAs, and if this is a short-term continuation bullish pattern of pennant triangle, there's a chance we're going to get a break to the up. That's all I'm saying, right? That's all I'm saying. Price loves to move and utilize market structure according to the trend, right? Now, if this is the left shoulder of a head and shoulders reversal, I've highlighted this in the TriFusionAI report and also in the Substack that I wrote, right? If it is, there's a key level of about it's $2.25, right? If price closes, first of all, we've got $2, right? Price close over $2, and if price then retests, closes over 2.25, you get a bullish confirmation on this idea. But you know, there is potential. There is amber alerts, and there are some amber alerts. There are areas concerned with cash burn and stuff like that in the fundamentals and the financials, right? But technical wise, it depends what your risk tolerance is. But if you're not averse to a bit of risk, look, read the report and have a look at the charts. It's an interesting one. TriFusion recommended it. So here was the tweet, right? Back to Fubo, right? Thanks, Sundial. Very interesting mover. And, you know, we love to be bullish on companies because, you know, I'm not into all this shorting and stuff like that and destroying companies to line my own pockets and take out the value of companies. Look at my Rivian podcast for that for that accurate prediction on what price coming down from like $15 to like testing like nine and a bit dollars a share. Anyway, so this was when I called Fubo publicly August the 9th, right? Fubo TV. And I must say, Fubo investors are some of the nicest, friendliest investors I've ever had the pleasure of interacting with. I mean, really, very, very nice people. Where's my Discord? Swazers Charts Discord. Right, here we go. Swazers Chart Discord is my own private Discord. I don't know why it's reloading again. This is ridiculous. I don't know why I'm jumping back in now, right? And it's not staying. It's not staying on the page that I wanted, which is a little bit annoying. But this is my own private Discord. We've had Swazers Charts Discord for 4.5 years, and we have some lovely people in here. Okay, right, I just wanted to literally just jump to Fubo and just show you guys something dead quick. Right, we're now on Fubo. Okay, I'm sorry about bragging off about all my other American winners. Sorry about that, but you know, if I don't brag about it, who else is going to do it? Right, okay, this was, here we go guys. Right, so I'm just going into the history of Fubo in Swazers Charts private Discord. The Willy Wonka chocolate factory, guys. The Oompa Loompas are helping me run this place. I get a free gold ticket every day. It's amazing. The Oompa Loompas, don't you just love it? Here we go, guys. Right, here we go. Oh, isn't it great? Right, here we go. Right, look. And by the way, yeah, shout out to my pal Bob. Bob's Dr. Anomaly in here. He's the guy in the chair, Bob. You know what I'm saying? Bob is the guy in the chair. He's the one with the brain the size of a planet. I'm the idiot that like tries to make jokes, like, you know what I mean. And sometimes they're not even. I think they're funny, but other people just look at me and think, "Shut up, Swazers." Right, here we go. So we had some massive success back in the day, a couple of years ago, in 2022 with Fubo. But right, okay. This was my original chart idea. I called it out. Look, 22nd of the 7th, 2024. I was like to the Discord members, I was like, keep an eye on Fubo. Right, keep an eye on Fubo. And what was the SP? Let's have a quick look. The SP, yeah, it was like 144. I think the entry and the August the 8th prediction with Fubo was even better. It was a bit of a rudimentary. It's not that it's a bit of a scruffy chart. I apologise for that. I remember I drew it late one night, right, and then I dropped these chart ideas, as you can see, and the rest is history. And you know, it was a massive winner. It was a massive winner. There you go. I just dropped a podcast on Fubo. I've done multiple podcasts. I'm not even on my YouTube bit here, but I've done multiple podcasts on Fubo. And I get really passionate about these ideas because at the end of the day, right, if you can call the markets right, guys, yeah, you know what I mean? I'm saying, if you call the market right, you can change your life, you can change the life, you can change your own lives. At the end of the day, right, if you can create a winning idea using a system of technical analysis that works for you, you can literally change your entire life, and you can change the life of your family, your loved ones, your friends, because you can take money out the markets, put it in your own pocket. So when I said August 8th, I said, is Fubo heading back to $5 a share? I just dropped a deep dive podcast, which I did. And I'll put all the links in. And it got some really good views on X and stuff like that. And then we dropped, shout out to Bob, we dropped a TriFusionAI detailed market report on FUBOTV for free, right? There's no charge for any of this stuff. So all I ask, I humbly request that you give us a follow, retweet, reshare, and follow my Substack, because I'm trying to grow on Substack. I'm not doing too bad on X. I've got 4,300 followers. I had to drop a few robots the other day, but you know, I need your support because obviously I'm coming now to America virtually. I mean, I'm in the UK, I'm near Manchester in the northwest of the UK, but I mean, I want to make it in America. It's always been a dream of mine to make it in America. You know, I want the white picket fence and all the rest of it. It'll have to be virtual though, because I'm in rainy, cold England right now. But you know, I'm dreaming of making it big. Can you guys please help me? Help a guy out. Help a guy out. I'm giving you all these money-making ideas for free. I mean, flipping heck, guys. If you would have jumped in any of these, you'd be absolutely cashed up and minted now. And the thing is, right, when you can decipher market structure, let's jump to the charts. When you can decipher market structure, guys, right, yeah, when you can decipher it, you can get into the move before the hype. What does that mean? I'll tell you what it means, right? You get in at a preferred rate. The brokers aren't scamming, ripping everybody off because you're jumping in at a preferred rate before the party kicks off. And then you're already in secure. You can do your add-ons if you want to. Yeah, you can multiply your wins and do your add-ons. That's fine, Fubo. right? Because you're in before the party starts. You're like at the pre-party. Is that what you call it? Is that what you call a pre? Is there such thing as a pre-party? Before their big party, their little party. Just when a few select VIPs are in, right? That's what I'm trying to say. Where's Fubo? Oh, here it is. That's what I'm trying to say, guys, right? I've got more alerts than you can possibly shake a stick at. It's crazy. Right, let's load up Fubo. He says, as he hits Fubo, nothing happens. This is great, isn't it? A technical glitch. Right, let's load Fubo up. Right, here we go, guys. Right, timestamps will be in the description box. This is a late video, but I had to get the information out. It'll probably be coming out just as the market's closed, knowing me. What is it? Is it the New York Stock? Yeah, New York Stock Exchange. Right. So my original channel idea, right, is pretty much still working out. But look, I think I spotted some specific context that I had to get out and let you wonderful people know, because I know there's so many passionate investors that are really into Fubo. Me too. You know, I think it's fantastic. Right. Okay. Let me explain the context that I discovered a couple of days ago. Right, you see this downtrend here, guys, right? Look, forget about all the previous price action. What we're doing, we're compartmentalizing Fubo, right? We've got it on the daily chart. Every candle represents a day of trading, right? Current price with Fubo is $1.60 a share. We've got 6 minutes, 17 seconds, I think, until market close. We're currently down minus 1.23%. Volume today, we've had 8.696 million in volume, all right? Right, okay. This is what I think's going on. This is the larger, with compartmentalized action, right? This is the larger macro descending bearish channel. Okay, what do I mean by that? It's a bearish channel. Look, specifically, every time price is encountered, I don't know, I'm shouting, I do apologize. Specifically, every time price has encountered this macro downtrend, it's reacted accordingly. Okay, and sold off. Now, what I think is occurring with Fubo, I think what we're looking at is something called the trend reversal. It's pretty straightforward. And I do apologize if you guys already, if whoever's listening already knows this and is going, please don't talk to me like I'm an idiot. Okay, look, I have to talk to everybody, and a lot of people might not understand technical analysis, right, as much as like other people. So I'm just trying to be fair, that's all. All right. If I could understand this stuff, anybody can understand it, all right? So what we've got, right, this is the larger trend that I think Fubo has already broken out of, and I think we're on the third break. Look, do you see? It's pretty easy to see. Larger, descending, former market state, which was the downtrend, right? See it? Right. You see this here, guys? This is not a particular new idea. It's how I did the charting to come up with the idea when we had the 70% winner recently. Let's have a look. Percentage calculator with Fubo. It was 128, 1.28, and then it went to 2.19. Best case scenario, we got a 71%, 71.0938% win. See that? Amazing. And this is my, is this my, whoop. Oh yeah, this is my SND story, Substack, sorry, apologies, to jump back to the Fubo chart. Right, so what happens with the markets, right, what I found fascinating, I've got my own system of technical analysis, it's called retroactive backtesting with forward channel projection methodology, right? What does that mean? It means I use the past, the present, the potentiality of the future to work out my winners. This is how I'm able to work all these beautiful winners, apart from having Bob, my guy in the chair, and my synthetic person, TriFusionAI, to help. Do you see we've got all these market touches? Now, all these touches, on this trend line idea that I drew, they started back in November 2022. This is why it's so amazing. Because what I don't really know how it works and how, right, I know the market makers move price, all right, but you can see how it's calculated. So even when Fubo was selling off in this macro downtrend back in 2022, late 2022, the market started making its mind up about how it was going to get out of this downtrend, even back then, which blows my mind. I've literally drawn more charts in the alternative investment market than any other chartist in the world. That's how many charts I've dropped for the FTSE, the alternative investment market. So when you draw thousands upon thousands upon thousands of charts, you see these patterns repeat across the markets, right? Now, Fubo's no different. You see these touches. You have to have a touch dominant trend line, which gives you the compelling idea, right? So this is the touch dominant trend line that I've drawn. Then we stick it to this swing low. Why do we stick it to this swing low? Because look at the volume, guys, recently. We obviously have had mega volume. That was 100+ million volume day for Fubo. So that then gives us foundational support. Now, I already charted the breakout, okay? I'm not bragging, okay? Yes, I already called the winner. But we had a subsequent sell-off, did we not, guys? We had the up move. And then, as the market loves to do, guys, it started to retrace. Do you see this? Let me just zoom in and show you what I mean. Look, I'm sorry, it's a bit scruffy. I just need to... this is an arc retracement. Or you can really call them Fibonacci retracement levels. The fib levels, really. That's what they really are. Cup and handle continuation patterns. You see this massive cup and handle continuation pattern which is forming? I'm calling it bullish, right? Look, retracement, right? But do you see one break out of the previous level? Do you see this previous level, guys? I've kept it there. This previous macro 2-year downtrend level, right? Look, first break we really had August. Boom, broke out, came back. Second break, weaker break. September, boom, broke out, came back down. Came back down, guys, right? Came back down, consolidation. But look, do you see where price consolidated on top of the previous macro downtrend trend line? Do you know how many times I've seen this? What happens is previous resistance levels become new support. Do you see that? Isn't it amazing? And then we get a beautiful candle that formed Wednesday, the 2nd of October. With, well, volume wasn't amazing, but it was the nature of the candle, solid bar. Boom, up it comes. Then we've had a breakout recently with Fubo on top of key EMAs being the 100 EMA. Right, you see it there? 100 and the 50 and the 21. Convergence, cross of the 21 and the 50 100. You can call it a golden cross if you like. We've had a cross. It's convergence, guys, right? It's convergence which is bullish. Bullish convergence at these levels. Okay, resistance above is the 200, right? Okay, but do you see the way that the market is moving to confront that resistance level? What I'm saying is this. If this is the super macro bullish ascending channel with Fubo, there is Willy Wonka and the Oompa Loompas are waiting for us at $6 a share at the top. That's what I'm saying. We're being given golden tickets. Okay. Willy Wonka and the Oompa Loompas are giving us the golden ticket. It's revealing market structure. You get out whenever you want. That's what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Beautiful convergence along the bottom of this particular idea of mine, which is a trend reversal with FUBOTV Incorporated. That's what I'm saying. The idea is not new, but I'm giving more context to the idea. I was trying to figure out why we were having the sell-off. And I was like, John, yeah, because my name's John, right? Obviously, a.k.a. Swazers. I was like, John, you're missing something, right? You've been calling this out. Right, you've been calling it out now for a couple of months. You're getting all these wonderful people following you in America, and I really appreciate it. And Canada and other places all over the world. I've dropped loads of charts ideas. I've dropped podcasts and stuff like that because I'm passionate about what I do. Right, I'm passionate about it. I love the charts. I'm obsessed with decoding the way that the market makers move price on a chart. I'm obsessed. It changed my life for the better. And do you know what I mean? And I just want to share my ideas, right? Look, do you see it, guys? Fib level, emerging cup and handle continuation, convergence, right? Third break out of macro 2-year downtrend, possibility of Willy Wonka and the Oompa Loompas up above, upper market structure. Target could be $4. It depends what your strategy is, right? It depends what your strategy is. At the end of the day, I'm not here to tell anyone about financial advice. This is not financial advice. read the disclaimers that I've got. There will be disclaimers. Should have talked about the disclaimers at the beginning. Do apologise. Disclaimer, no financial advice, right? Entertainment and educational purposes only. There's my big, long, boring disclaimer, but no problem. It's not. This is entertainment, education. Jump back to Fubo. 4 hours. See it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Right. Bullish macro ascending channel to confront previous historic 2-year descending bearish channel. Right? Do you see that? Multiple breaks out of previous bearish channel. Support forming, breaking out of triangle configuration, even on the 4 hour. Back to the daily. Do you see it? Upper market structure. Guys, you see this gap level? This is where price may want to head in the near term. That's $2.41, guys. Do you see it? Let's draw a trend line. Let's draw a trend line. Guys, if you find this video useful, please give us a retweet and a share and a follow and, you know, all that good stuff. You see previous resistance, right? You see this candle here, right? 1st of March 2024. Couldn't get past that drop off. This is a gap level. The market loves to return to gap levels. Why? Because there's buy orders everywhere, right? There's stop losses, there's shorts, there's longs, there's squeezes, there's puts, there's calls. There's people using leverage. The market is a liquidity seeking machine. But if you can decode the moves of the markets, it shows us where price may want to go. I'm calling a spike at some point soon to $2.41. Willy Wonka and the Oompa Loompas are in here waiting for us, right? In my opinion. I'll get this podcast out, guys. Thank you so much. It's been such a laugh. Right, I've had too many coffees today. Probably a little hyper. I just want to bring the positive energy. I know it's going to be going a bit late, but if you enjoyed this video and this podcast and me ranting like a lunatic, give us a shout out and a follow and a retweet and all that good stuff. I really, really wish Fubo investors the best of luck. I'll get it uploaded. I'm out of here and I'll chat to you soon. Thank you so much.